guys, good afternoon. Let me turn my back into the wind here so you can hear what I'm saying. But I know the run come audio when it's facing the wind is like makes noise like crazy. So yeah, today we are here on the Mecco beach. This is a 15-20 minutes drive from home. Quite a good spot I just found recently. And today, Saturday, nice weather, but really windy. Today we have strong winds from northwest from 25 to 30 miles an hour. So that's around 50 kilometers per hour winds. So quite strong. But today we are experimenting the new ailerons I've built for the ASW. Some bigger balsa ailerons coated with a little bit of fiberglass and easy coat to reinforce. And now I have 50 centimeters ailerons by 35 millimeters wide. So they are quite a bit larger than the original ones. Let me see if I can show you here. Let me just turn and show you the ailerons. So they go from here, this line at the middle of the tape, of course, to the edge. So 35 millimeters and 50 centimeters wide. Everything is tested now. All pre-flight checks are done, and I'm gonna launch it, of course, facing the wind with some motor to make sure I clear that wooden bridge. Then let's see how it goes. Okay, motor is armed. Another pre-flight check, just to make sure. Okay, we are good to go. Quite a lot of wind. I don't think I need motor, but let's go. Okay, motor out. I'm using mid brakes on the ailerons now, just to feel. Looks good. All steady. I haven't trimmed yet, and I don't think I need any trim. That's it. Going perfectly fine. Just correct this a bit. Good enough. Maybe a couple of clicks of right aileron trim, maybe. Let me just turn here. Apart from that, looks pretty good. Give it 4 clicks of right aileron. High rates on ailerons. Let me see if I can adjust something. Feels good. Nice and responsive. Feels really nice, to be honest. Perfect. I have to rearrange the battery a little bit. up front because of the extra weight of the ailerons and the back of the wings. Gave me an additional 20 grams, both ailerons, another 20 grams to the model, still within the margin. Looks good. Give it a little bit of gas and try a roll. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we have some aileron response. Looking nice. Conditions are really good. I have plenty of lift. Even if this place isn't very high, so you don't have a crazy amount of lift, you need serious wind speed to get some good lift. But it's more than enough today. You can see it's super smooth, even with 25 to 30 miles per hour winds. Of course, you get that beautiful steady laminar airflow from the ocean, no turbulence. Just awesome. Yeah, really sharp aileron response now. Really happy I did this mod. So much better. Much sharper. Trying not to use the motor at all. Just going with the flow. Try to get a bit of altitude here.